In this video, I'm gonna talk about 5 things you should know before starting a YouTube channel. So let's get started. Number 1. YouTube is a huge website. There are millions of YouTubers out there. That means millions and millions of videos are uploaded on YouTube. And your videos will be among those millions of videos. So there is a huge competition out there. Before you decide to be a YouTuber, keep in your mind that you're gonna face a really tough competition out there. Number 2. If you are looking for a get-rich-quick thing, then YouTube might not be the best option for you. As I have already mentioned that there's a huge competition out there, it will take time for your videos to be noticed. In fact, first few months might be a difficult time for you, as your videos could remain unnoticed. So before you think about becoming a full-time YouTuber, prepare yourself to be patient enough. Number 3. Although you have to face a huge competition and it could take a substantial period of time, you can definitely beat the aforementioned obstacles by being unique. By being unique, it doesn't mean that your contents should have something nobody has ever talked about. Instead, the way you present your ideas should be unique from other YouTubers. You can make your thumbnails unique, your titles distinguished from those of other channels' videos, and you can also make your boring contents interesting by presenting your ideas in a funny way. Overall, the idea is that the viewers should find something really different in your contents. So think about what is so unique about you before you jump into making videos. Number 4. Number 4 is a bit different from the previous points, in the sense that it deals with one of the rules in YouTube. That is the copyright issue. You must be familiar with the policy of YouTube. I don't mean that you should read all the terms and conditions of YouTube, but copyright issue is a very crucial thing you should know about if you are thinking of becoming a YouTuber. You cannot upload any video you like. The videos you upload must have your original contents, or else you might get reported for stealing others' contents. Well, talking about copyright, you must basically know about 2 types of copyright issues. Number 1, copyright claim, and number 2, copyright strike. If you make videos of cover songs, you might get copyright claim from the owner of the original song, but that's not so harmful for your channel in most cases. However, if you get copyright strike, it can result in the termination of your channel. That means your channel will get shut down, even if you have millions of views and subscribers. So you must have some knowledge about copyright issues before starting to make videos for your channel. Number 5. You're gonna have a tough time being a YouTuber if you have the tendency of getting annoyed easily. When your videos start getting noticed, you'll get both positive and negative responses. You'll of course feel delighted to read the positive comments, but the tragedy is that you won't always get positive comments. You might get extremely harsh comments time and again, and you must be very cautious about dealing with those hate comments. You can't reply to every single hate comment, and more importantly, your replies to those hate comments won't do any good to your channel. The best way to deal with all of them is to ignore them and move ahead. So if you are actually serious about becoming a YouTuber, you must mentally prepare yourself for those hate comments. So those were the 5 things you should consider before beginning your journey as a YouTuber. Hope this video helped you to make a right decision. If you enjoyed this video, then please do not forget to give a thumbs up to this video and click the subscribe button if you haven't already.